When it comes to car camping, there's gear out there that'll make the setup feel just right. You want gear and gadgets that make camp feel natural, turning any place into a good spot to settle. Keeping that in mind, our today's video will be on amazing car camping gadgets and accessories. Let us get started. Being outdoors doesn't mean you cannot listen to your favorite tunes. The Muse & Wild Mini is a portable Bluetooth speaker that gives you an outdoor-ready music experience in one small package. Built with a military-inspired zinc alloy body, this speaker is tough and water-resistant, so it can handle splashes, rain, and sand. And for outdoors, you need loudness, and the Wild Mini has you covered with powerful 360-degree sound. Moreover, the speaker delivers crisp highs and decent bass, all made possible by its large diameter speaker and rare earth N40 neodymium magnet. And with Bluetooth 5.0, connecting to your devices is fast, stable, and energy efficient. Equipped with an 800 mAh battery, the Wild Mini offers up to 8 hours of playtime, keeping the music going throughout your outdoor excursions. Plus, its 3 flashlight modes, high, low, and SOS, provide handy lighting when you're navigating after dark. The construction and robustness will fool anyone into thinking this is a heavy one. But surprisingly, it weighs just 248 grams and features easy-to-use textured knobs, making this speaker perfect for strapping to your pack or bike.
Campers seeking the ultimate rooftop tent, the Dark Barracks delivers comfort, durability, and convenience in any weather. Built with high-grade aluminum composite panels, its hard-shell construction offers superior protection from the elements, while its airspace insulation in the walls and roof ensures temperature regulation. The honeycomb composite floor provides a solid base, and a trench structure prevents condensation, keeping the interior dry. Security is a priority too. Dark Barracks features a strong locking system and a low center of gravity for stability, even on rugged terrain. The tent also boasts safety windows made from scratch-resistant PC material. Setting it up is a breeze, taking only 30 seconds to be fully functional. With weatherproof materials, an external power supply outlet, LED sensor lights for nighttime convenience, and a plush 3-layer memory foam mattress, this rooftop tent transforms car camping into a premium, comfortable, and secure experience.
The Yakima Mod system offers a flexible, customizable solution for managing cargo on your vehicle, making it easy to adapt for any adventure. With its modular design, the mod system can be tailored to meet different storage needs. Installation starts with the home base, where you assemble the feet and attach them securely to your vehicle using draw bolts and straps. Next comes the divider, which can be placed in one of 3 spots to keep your items organized, and easily secured by aligning and fastening the brackets. Adding the mod topper is simple. Align it with the home base and tighten the bolts to lock it in. For extra storage, the mod gear crate is installed by attaching front and rear catches to the home base or topper, then securing the assembled crate in place. Finally, the MOD workspace fits snugly into the top drawer within the home base, offering a convenient spot for tools or other essentials. This system is an adaptable, all-in-one cargo solution for any trip. LunoCamp string lights bring a cozy, flicker-free glow to any campsite setup, perfect for those who love a welcoming outdoor vibe. With a generous 20-foot anti-tangle cord, they're easy to string up just about anywhere, and you can choose between 3 brightness settings and 3 lighting modes to match any mood. Powered by a USB-C rechargeable battery pack, these lights provide up to 8 hours of illumination on the highest setting, keeping your camp bright through the night. The lights come with a durable 2-sided pouch featuring a hidden magnet for effortless attachment to metal surfaces. The semi-transparent front of the pouch offers lantern mode for reading or as a soft nightlight. With versatile attachment options like a snap loop for hanging on grab handles and a paracord loop for backpacks, these string lights make an adaptable, stylish addition to any car camping experience. Craft AutoWorks' portable kitchen system packs everything an outdoor enthusiast needs for a full cooking setup into a rugged, weather-resistant Ironman 4x4 maxi case. Designed for quick setup and breakdown, this all-in-one kitchen includes a folding sink, a gas cooktop that runs on either butane or propane, and a full set of GSI cookware, plates, cups, cutlery, and utensils, ready to use right out of the box. A standout feature is its 12-volt water pump for the sink, which makes washing up easy by connecting to an external power source. A removable hose assembly also simplifies gear cleaning. Built for durability and convenience, this portable kitchen lets you cook and clean comfortably in the great outdoors without missing any essentials. The HeyTrip Air mattress gives you a comfortable bed inside your car. With a thickness of 6 inches and dimensions of 74 by 51 inches, it fits over 2,000 SUV models, including popular vehicles like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Tesla Model Y. Constructed from 600D Oxford material, this mattress is resistant to pet damage and offers adjustable firmness through valves on each side. The mattress is free from harmful chemicals and odors, ensuring a safe, comfortable sleep. Inflation and deflation are quick and easy thanks to the included 12-volt car charger pump, which inflates the mattress in around 2 minutes. Its versatile design allows for partial inflation for solo trips or full inflation for extra space. A storage bag is provided for easy transport and to store other camping gear. Plus, the mattress undergoes 72 hours of air leak testing to ensure quality. The TentBox Go is a lightweight, easy-to-use rooftop tent, designed with spontaneous adventures in mind. Weighing in at just 33 kilos, this innovative tent can be fully set up in only 90 seconds. Just extend the ladder, prop it open, and you're ready for a night under the stars. With a sleeping area as spacious as a double bed, it comfortably accommodates 2 adults, while large side doors and an end window provide great views and fresh air. For rainy nights, a self-erecting hood over the end window offers both shelter and ventilation. Made from durable ripstop fabric with a 3,000mm waterproof coating, coupled with YKK zips and a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, the TentBox Go is built to withstand wind speeds up to 39 miles per hour. Though it comes unassembled, setup is a breeze, taking about an hour initially and just 20 minutes to mount on your car.
Another rooftop tent on the list is the Odyssey Rooftop Tent by James Barrett. It redefines comfort and adventure with its striking design and breathtaking 360-degree views. Featuring a 3-layer blackout fabric, this tent excels in thermal and sound insulation, guaranteeing a peaceful night's sleep, while the high-density foam mattress ensures optimal comfort. Constructed for long-lasting durability, the Odyssey includes a reinforced hull, rust-resistant latches, and replaceable struts to accommodate heavier loads without compromise. Additionally, the integrated solar-powered vent fan provides essential airflow, keeping the interior fresh, and the complimentary camp light enhances nighttime visibility. Whether you're journeying through extreme terrain or enjoying a serene lakeside stay, the Odyssey Rooftop Tent delivers an exceptional camping experience. The Adventure King's 200-watt folding solar blanket offers car campers a compact and efficient way to harness solar power for charging batteries and running appliances while out in nature. This updated model features a quick connect plug, making it easy to connect to various solar accessories. With a power output of 200 watts and a size comparable to a laptop, it's designed for effortless storage and transport. The blanket consists of 6 panels made from grade A monocrystalline solar cells, all encased in durable polyester fabric. Setup is a breeze. Just unfold the panels and lay them flat on the ground. A roof rack or even a windscreen. When paired with a solar regulator or DC-DC charger, the blanket can output up to 20.7 volts at 9.67 amps, potentially delivering an impressive 16 amps of charge when connected to an MPPT solar regulator. Compact when folded, the blanket also features a front pocket for holding solar leads and regulators. Combining the practicality of a traditional tent with innovative vehicle integration, Healthy Caboose Tent redefines car camping. This 4-person shelter offers generous headroom and a spacious vestibule that can be easily connected to your vehicle, creating a comfortable rumpus room on wheels and ensuring quick access to your gear. Setting up the caboose is straightforward. Start by laying out the tent body and staking the corners on level ground. Then assemble the poles, ensuring each segment is securely seated. Next, insert the equal-sized poles into the quick corner fabric sleeves and clip the X poles into the tent body. With assistance, slide a long pole under the X poles, flip it into place, and secure it with grommets. After draping the rainfly over the tent, back your vehicle up to the vestibule and use straps to secure the awning over your rear wheels. The caboose adapts easily to your needs, offering versatility for any camping adventure while providing shade or shelter from the elements. When it comes to enhancing your camping experience, the empowered Lucy solar side lights stand out as a versatile and essential gadget. This innovative set includes 6 lights, 6 stakes, a USB-C charging cable, and a waterproof silicone band, all neatly housed in a charging case. The lights conveniently charge via a magnetic snap in the case, displaying an orange light while charging and switching to green when fully charged. The stakes fit snugly in the case, allowing you to use the lights as illuminated tent pegs, or you can hang them from cords for added flexibility. With multiple applications, these lights are perfect for illuminating campsites, pathways, and the inside of your car. They feature adjustable brightness settings with low, medium, and high modes, and their long battery life ensures that the low mode lasts up to 20 hours on a single charge. Each light covers 165 square feet, illuminating a total of 1,000 square feet with all 6 lights.